Okay, on the bench today, we have the OptiShots again. So they've gotten their ass kicked, and they're back in for another repair. Let me get these out, and we'll see what's going on. Okay, so from what I remember last time, it was the LEDs there that get their butt kicked. I don't know how many are here. I don't know if 2 or 3 are here, or what, I can't remember. I don't remember what he said he dropped off, but you can tell that lid is on really, well, not on at all, is what I'm trying to say. So I think I still have the software. Oh, there's a bottom plate in there too. Hang on here 1 second. That's what was getting caught in the bag, was the bottom piece here. Okay, so we can get rid of this for a second here, because we don't need the cable right this second. And yeah, I believe that's the bottom piece or something there. Well, it goes something like that, but we can get that out of the way for a second. Let me put that over here, and then bring this one up. And I can see that this is just hanging right out of the bottom here. I don't know what the hell's going on there. So there's 2 of them here. I don't know what the hell is happening here. The hell is happening here? Well, that's the top to one. The hell is that stuff? I have no idea what is happening here. I might have to go back and look at my original video to figure out what the hell is actually happening here. What is all over this? Okay. So this, is that the whole thing covered? Okay, so that's got the back plate, and that's the top. Okay, so I believe that's the whole thing, right? Yeah, okay, because there's the USB port. So that's a whole one right there. That must be a broken one. Okay, so I'm going to have to fire up the PC, get this plugged in, see if this is the working one or not. I don't exactly know what the fuck all that is. Sorry about that. I mean, you can see it gets banged up. And I can almost guarantee that some of these are out again. That must be like it's... Yeah, it says swing direction is this way. So this is probably like a... I mean, they don't look bad. Honestly, they don't look bad. Well, you say that, but... I mean, some of them are beat up. You can see that. So, again, let me... back you out here. Let me get that fired up. Let me get the software going, and the software should tell me what's what. I know I have to bring up the camera so I can see each individual one, but yeah, give me a second here. Okay, so just real quick too, this is what was stuck. This was stuck to this. That's what was going on. So that's another board. So this is another whole one here. Just one's the board. This is another one, right? So there is 3 here. Just I can see these are. I can see I used some of them before to repair the other one. So, yeah, hopefully it's nothing too crazy. So, yeah, I mean, you can see the amount of damage these things get. Oh, fuck, that's missing too. Yeah, these things just get their butt kicked. So, yeah, these things just get their butt kicked. Hopefully we've got enough here that I can make maybe 2 of them work, but we're just hopeful for 1. So again, let me get this fired up and we'll see. Okay, and as you can see how bad this one is. That's right. I don't see any double missing ones, so that's right. But this one, sheesh. Okay, that's pretty bad. So, let's see if I can get that light out of here. So, okay. I mean, well, it doesn't mean it's okay, but you can see it looks like we're okay up till obviously here. But then it should be on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off. Okay, so again, we'll probably get this one, you know, some new LEDs, but let me unplug this one and let me grab the other one. The one that's supposed to be working, I guess. Straightened out for you. So let me, oh, I can click, oh, it, oh, tells you. Forgot about that. It tells you. It just didn't come up right away. So I'm taking it that this is sensor, well, you would figure that's sensor 0, but apparently not. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry. Let me zoom you in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Would it be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? So if the next two are on, I don't know, it could be 1, 2 are on. But anyways, you can see that, yeah, not all sensors have been detected. So again, let me unplug this one. Okay, and let me grab the other one. Not that one. That's parts. This is the other one here. Is that one kind of loose at the bottom here? Yeah, it's fucking missing screws. Oh, jeez. Why is that not going in all the way? Oh, because the whole board is not sitting right. Well, that's not a good sign. Come on, you. There we go. Yeah, that board's sitting wrong. Oh, wow. Okay. What? So this looks okay. That looks okay. It's slowly starting to climb. Those weren't all there right off the bat. I don't know if it's taking a second here or what. Let me clear sensors. Is that because it had the other one plugged in? Let me clear sensors. And let me see if that comes back at all. Are those still on? Yep. Yep. Huh. Isn't that something? Let me close that. Let me reopen. Let me reopen the software here. Whoops. Swing pad diagnostics. Yeah, see, only one's showing up right this second. Will more come up? Sensor 4. I mean, but to me, it looks like they're all there. No, it looks like they're all there. On, off, on, off, on, off. Yeah. Looks like they're all there, but I'm only getting one showing up now. Oh, that's weird. Okay, see how some are starting to show up now? All I did, I don't know if it was just coincidence or not, but I just pressed. Not, look it. Another one just came up. Let's see if I can capture doing that again. You can hear me hitting it. Isn't that weird? Sorry, I was looking at what I was doing. I'm just trying to wiggle these sensors a little bit. Oh, look at it. That one just came on. Yeah, that is wild. Maybe they've got really bad solder joints on some of them, but again, sensor 3. So, like, what do we think? It's like 1, 2, 3. Let me see if I can wiggle that one maybe. Okay, let's go from the other side. 1, 2, 3. No, let's go from up here. 1, 2, 3. No, let's go from this one. 1, 2. Oh, hello. So sensor 0, is it this one? No, it would have to be this one, right? Isn't that weird? Yeah, just from me pressing on it. So you know what I'm going to do is, yeah, if I disconnect it, they'll all turn off. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the top off, or the bottom off, take the top off. I'm going to reflow some of these here and see if I can't get... Oh, look at sensor 1, and that's me pressing. Look at where I'm pressing. So sensor 0 is this one. So 0 through 7 only? So what the fuck are these then? I just found that funny that I was pressing on that one and sensor 1 came up. Oh, I seen that flash down here. I don't know what that is. But there is more than 7 here. More than 15, is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. What the... Oh, there's 0. Okay, so there is 16. I wonder if they're in... Yeah, okay. Let me... exactly. I'm going to do what I said I'm going to do here. See if I can't... Oh, there's sensor 0 just came back up. Yeah, that's what I think's going on here. So, okay, that's what I'm going to do. Remove all this, reflow them all, and see if I can't get this to show up better. Okay, I got it taken apart now. Now I understand it. Now I understand. Watch. Nothing, right? Me waving. That's what it is. It's me waving. So that's what it was looking for. I thought it was looking for pressure. Like they... Thought it was weird that they were all showing up. So sensor... Still sensor 9 and 10. I can't get to light. Now, obviously... They're not going to be... Sorry. Obviously, they're not going to be labeled. Of course they're not. So even while I'm in the swing mode here, I'm going to try to figure out which one is 9 and 10. I mean, is it 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10? These two? Or is it right across from it? But that is definitely it. I'll do that one more time just so you can see. So, what about across this way? So that's 7. One of them is 6 and 7, 14 and 13. 5, 4, 12. Okay, so that's over here. So over here is 9 and 10. Over here is 9 and 10. So, because if I come over here, if this is 9 and 10, then if I come over to this side, boom, they all just showed up. Yeah, so it's on this side. That's good. That's good information to know. Yeah, it's 9 and 10. So it's on this side here. Here. Okay, so I just wanted to show this. You'll notice that I have... Hey, I got 9 back. All right, so I'm only missing 10. And 10 might be working right this second. I've got it so loose in here that it's not showing right. So you'll see that I've got that one removed. That one removed. That one removed. Right? Let's see if I can show this here. Oops. Let me get you back up there. You'll notice that it has a clear sensors. You can clear the sensors. All right? So let me do that real quick. Let me come up here. Excuse me, I gotta stretch like crazy. Okay, sensors are cleared. All right, see if I can maybe zoom up on that. I don't know. Yes. So you'll notice that I have 1, 2, 3 of them missing. Right? So I did figure it out. Obviously E and T, it must be, they're together. Right? So 11 and 11, 12 and 12. But they go from, like, say, here to here. Here to, you know what I mean? So hang on here. So you'll notice all these are okay still. All right? They're all okay still. All right? You'll notice that with those with those moved still, those ones removed, we still have, don't worry about 8. 8 is only because I've got one extra one removed here. You'll see, if I can get that to sit right, that I can put, I believe it's 1 in, is it in 12? Okay, so there, that one, putting that one in, that brings back 9. That one brings back 8. So, if that brings back 8 and 9, then that means that down here, sorry, I know it's just a little difficult to film, just weird to film, I guess. The next one must be the next one up, which is this one. You see, like, on, off, on. It must be this one that is also screwed up, which is crazy. It's just, it's so hard to tell the ones that aren't lit all the time if they're good or bad. Like, that's not even in place. Sorry, that one is in place, actually. It just looks really crooked. It's probably just from getting hammered, but you can see the ones that aren't lit, right? They're hard to tell if they're working or not. Even with that, it's hard to tell which ones are what. So like I said, I can clear sensors again, and you'll see that I have nothing. So let me do this whole side. Let me see. Let me back up just a little bit. So I'll do this whole side, and you'll see them all light up. And then I'll do this whole side, and you'll see that 10, 9, and 8 aren't. But if I put, so that's T12. So if I put one in T12, and this is pulled off another board. These are pulled off another board. These aren't pulled off this board. If I put one in 12, boom, I got 9. If I put one in this 11, I believe it's, is it that 11 one? Or is it the one underneath? Is it T11 or is it the E11? One of them, you'll see, I'll get, whoops. Let me put that down for a second. I know that's probably difficult to see. You probably can't still see that. Let me put one in back in here. And put back one in 12. Then let me put one in the 11. T11? Yeah, T11. Boom, you'll see that 8 comes up. So yeah, so I'm going to actually, while I'm here, I'm actually going to put these in place right now. And then whatever one this one is, whatever one this one's joining to, I'll take that one out and see if I can't pull another one and get that in the right spot. Okay, as you can see, they're all lit now. So I had to go back up even further, up the chain. Now, probably see that. I can probably get rid of that just so... Well, that ain't going to work for you, is it? Let me see if I can focus in back there. I should be able to, kind of. Anyways, so let me remove that one, right? And then let me clear sensors. So you can see they're all off. Now this side's all on. And you'll see that everyone except for 10. So I'll take that one I just took out, which is this one. And I'll put that in. That might not be the one I pulled out. Yeah, or I put it backwards. Yes, there you go. And what do you know? They're all lit. So let me get a cap on that one, the bottom one. Let me get a cap on the bottom, and I'll just use one of those. There. Get that on. Sorry, I'm out of focus. Get that on there. Get that raised to the same amount. Get them all pretty much as level as I can, and then we'll move on to the next one. I might stop this video here and do another video for the other one. I thought we were running into like some resistor issues or something, because you can see they all run to here, which all run to, they all have, you know, resistors and stuff like that. I thought, are we running into one of those issues, or, you know, a transistor issue or something like that? But no, we got it. It's just, again, that's one of the ones that isn't on. So it's that's a little annoying, but okay. So let me get this finished, put back together. We'll finish this video, and then I'll move on to another one. Okay, got it all put back together here. Well, the one screw that was holding it all together. But, yeah, you'll see here. I don't know if I'll be able to get this all in one shot, but we'll do this side first. All the sensors show up. Yep, that's all that side. And then all that side. Come on. There we go. All there. All the sensors are there. So that one's good to go. So now we can move on to the other one. I think a lot of this, okay, you'll see here what I'm talking about. So you'll see that you really got to swing over that. I think because he's only got one screw holding this together, right? That it does. See how it hangs out a bit here? Yeah, see how it hangs out a bit here? It's because there's nothing holding this together. So that's one issue. Hopefully he's got the screws for that. I hope. Now I just got something in there. Dust or whatever that is. But yeah, okay, that's good. We'll just do one more test here just to make sure. Absolutely. Yep, we're good. See? As soon as I push on it, that's what it is. Well, now it is, but yeah, it's because nothing's really holding that in place. But yeah, okay, that's good to go. I'll end this one here. And you guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Okay, hopefully you guys can see that there. Got it all hooked up here. You can see all the sensors are black, obviously. So we'll just start from this side. All put back together. I had to find some screws for it because there's only one screw in it. Ba-doom, but there we go. All good. All good. So yeah, it was a couple of, I believe, yeah, this side. So it was a couple of them on this side. And I did figure it out eventually that it is, paired, receiver, transmit, whatever. 15, 14, 13, 12. They're in pairs all across here. But, yeah. So, we're all good there. And, yeah, we'll just do it one more time here just so you can see. All on one side, we're good. All on the other side, we're good. Alrighty, so I'll wrap this up. You guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And I'll see you in the next one.